here. This tutorial will cover Part 2, Supplier Enrollment. You must complete Part 1, Supplier Registration, before you can complete Part 2, Supplier Enrollment. To begin, go to app.az.gov. Log in using the email address and password created in Part 1, Supplier Registration.
Once a supplier registration request has been approved, the user who submitted the registration will receive an email allowing them to log into APP and begin the full enrollment process. To begin the process, access the link provided in the registration confirmation email prompting the supplier to log in, or navigate to the APP site and enter supplier login credentials including username and password. Next, click the Login button. After logging in, a Terms and Conditions page will appear. Click the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Then, click the Acknowledge button. You'll be taken to the home page. Users are able to see the status of their enrollment under the onboarding progress. Users can also see they have pending validations under Validations. To begin the enrollment process, click on the See My Information link on the left-hand side of the page. Complete the required fields in the Company Information, Contacts, Documents, and Certs, P2P Information, Qualifications, and Financial Indicators tabs. This includes basic company information such as freight terms, payment terms, and main address, in addition to supplier contacts, legal documents, and certifications. Fields marked by a red asterisk are required. The eye icon can be used for more information on a specific field. On the Company Information tab, begin by entering your freight terms under the Basic Company Info section. Next, read and accept the acknowledgments under the Acknowledgments section by checking the checkboxes. Next, verify the address listed in the Main Address section. Users can make changes if necessary. Under the Additional Information section, users will indicate any certifications they hold. Use the ellipsis button to select your minority business enterprise. Check the checkbox to select the certification that applies to your organization. If your organization does not have any certifications, select the Non-Small Non-Minor Non-Woman Business option. Next, complete the Supplier Hierarchy section. Once complete with the Company Information tab, navigate to the Contacts tab. To add contacts, click the Create Contact button.
This is only necessary if you would like to add a secondary contact to your account. You are already the primary contact.
Complete all required fields on the pop-up. Once complete, click the Save and Close button. Using the drop-down, select a role for your contact. Click the envelope icon to send the user an email with their login credentials. Once complete with the Contacts tab, navigate to the Documents and Certs tab. On the Documents tab you can upload W-8, Certificate of Insurance, and other required documents. If you are a foreign vendor you are required to upload your W-8 document under the Legal Documents section. Once complete with the Documents tab, navigate to the P2P Information tab. First, enter your order address. This can be the same as your main address. Next, add remit to address by clicking the Remit to Address button. Once complete adding an address, click the Save and Close button. Next, add payment terms by clicking the Add Payment Term button.
The default for the state of Arizona is net 30. Set this box to net 30.
Click Save and Close once complete. Once complete with the P2P Information tab, navigate to the Qualifications tab. Verify the information listed on the Qualifications tab. Make any changes if necessary. Once complete with the Qualifications tab, navigate to the Financial Indicators tab. Review the Financial Indicators page. No changes are required on this tab. Once you are ready to submit your enrollment, click on the Submit for Due Diligence button at the top of the page to automatically save profile changes and submit your enrollment to the state of Arizona. On the pop-up, click the OK button to confirm. Once your information has saved, navigate to the home page. The onboarding progress will now show active supplier, indicating that the supplier has completed the enrollment process.
Your enrollment is now complete. You will be able to receive payments from the state of Arizona. Your account will remain active indefinitely. Be sure to update your bank information if you do direct deposit and/or your remit to address if either change.